Infinix has once again pushed the boundaries of what a mid-range smartphone can do with its latest 2026 Infinix 60 Pro 5G. Designed for users who demand high performance without breaking the bank, this device combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and futuristic features to create a compelling package that stands out in 2026's crowded smartphone market. Design and display. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G immediately grabs attention with its ultra-slim profile and glossy finish. The phone features a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering buttery smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and deep blacks that make every video and game come alive. The near bezel-less design coupled with a minimal punch-hole front camera gives it a modern, premium feel. Holding the device, you can feel the perfect balance between elegance and comfort. Performance in gaming. Under the hood, the 2026 Infinix 60 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset paired with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Whether it's heavy multitasking, gaming, or streaming, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. Popular games like Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile run at high graphics settings with minimal frame drops, making it a true gamer's delight. The addition of 5G support ensures blazing fast internet speeds, perfect for online gaming and smooth video calls. Camera experience. Infinix has stepped up its photography game with a 200-megapixel triple rear camera setup. The main lens captures astonishingly detailed shots even in low light, while the ultra-wide and macro lenses add versatility. AI-powered enhancements ensure your photos look professional with minimal effort. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures crisp and natural-looking selfies, making video calls and vlogging an absolute joy. Battery and charging. Battery life is another strong point. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Even better, the 120-watt hypercharge technology can juice the phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes, meaning you spend less time tethered to the charger and more time using your device. Software and features. Running on XOS 14 based on Android 16, the Infinix 60 Pro 5G offers a clean, intuitive interface with tons of customization options. Features like split-screen multitasking, smart gestures, and AI-powered battery optimization elevate the everyday user experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Infinix 60 Pro 5G is not just a phone, it's a powerhouse designed for the modern user. It delivers top-notch performance, incredible camera quality, and unmatched value in its price segment. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or someone who wants a premium smartphone without spending a fortune, this device has something for everyone. Verdict: stunning design, flagship-level performance, incredible cameras, lightning-fast charging. The Infinix 60 Pro 5G is a game-changer in 2026.